way up high.
That's too high.
Exactly, that's very high. That was one of the highest phone I've ever seen.
This has been snap capped.
Snap cab like before.
It's been so long since I've been on these, I don't remember. Let's try to ride the other car if it's working.
I will send this.
See if the other car's working. Might not be working. You know what? I don't think it's raining. Oh, wait a minute. If that one comes back down, then no, it's not.
Okay, if it does, I might take it for one more ride.
All right, I'll come with you. I'll just be quiet.
Yeah, I don't hear it coming anyhow.
Yeah, it's just this one.
I'm gonna let this thing time out for a second.
Oh, wow, the button already pressed itself. That's weird.
Oh, no, actually, no, I did that.
Oh.
They still have these protective plastic cover over the button.
What's it going to do?
Yeah, it had to respond to an up call.
Seems really quick for like 7 floors.
I want to get a good detailed view of these fixtures. I'll go down one more time. We'll end at the lobby. These are your fixtures.
It's got to be what, like 1960s, 1970s?
1973. Do you think you can press the button for me when you get on?
I was about to say, I was
Yeah.
going to say, look at the indicator. I'll press the button and make it elevate.
Yeah, do that. Oh, wait for it to shut. Does the up chime work?
I was going to say, you went up call too?
Yeah, I'll wait for it to close.
I don't.
Sounds a bit weak, but that's your classic old Westinghouse dinner bell.
Well,
And with that being said,
that'll be it. Bye, y'all.